Well, finally, some much needed respite is what you saw for the equity markets today, although the way we began the session was not quite so, because the SGX Nifty was indicating a downtick of about 0.5% to start off trade, and that's exactly how we began the day, in the red. And then from there you saw an intraday pullback really coming in, taking us all the way back to that 16,000 print for the Nifty Futures, and good recovery even coming in for the broader end of the market. So we've seen a more than 300-point intraday recovery on the index alone. We finally managed to snap our 4-day losses, and we've closed above the 16K mark. It was real estate, PSU banks, autos, IT, financial services, which have actually recovered more than 3% each sectorally from the session lows. And the Nifty Bank alone saw a recovery of more than 1,000 points intraday to finally snap its 5-day losses. Lot of sectors. Nifty Metal saw some profit booking. It's ended lower last 2 sessions out of the last 3 days. Nifty Realty, though, ended as the best performer of the day. It snapped its 4-day losing streak. Nifty PSU Bank saw some good gains and have managed to gain over 2.5% to snap the 4-day losing streak that they had been clocking. Nifty Pharma as well was a significant winner in today's trading session. Let me in fact take you through some of the movers in the session today. While I've given you a sectoral flavor of what was really happening, Shrer Cement, Sun Pharma, Tata Consumer, TCS, Infosys, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's, Tech M, Divi's Labs, Hero Corp, these were all gainers from amidst the large caps. And on the flip side, like I was just talking about, some profit taking for metals. Hindalco was a rank underperformer. ONGC, after that big breakout that the stock had in yesterday's session, ebbed off a little bit, was down about 3.5%. Tata Steel was a loser. Britannia, JSW Steel, Nestle, Tata Motors, Reliance, Ayesha and SBI were rank underperformers. A lot of bright spots when it came to the broader markets as well. You had some solid gains come in on some of the gas stocks. IGL was holding out 9.5%. MGL was a significant mover today. And the entire PSU banking pack. So everything from a City Union Bank, which held out by 7.25%, to a BOB, to a Canara Bank. These all saw some solid recovery in place. Also SBI Cards, which spurred up a good 6.5% in trade today. And then PVR2, which didn't react to all the buzz around the Sinopolis advanced merger talks, and that the merger is going to happen as early as this month end, that's March end. Today you saw the stock recover quite sharply, and it held out by 6.5% in trade today. Having said that, the broader market too had its fair share of losers. So while Shrer Cement amongst the large caps was the top performer, there was JK Cement, which was down for a second consecutive day, was down about 6.5%, and then SAIL, ONGC were the other drag points, like we've been pointing out in trade. So that's pretty much the texture of the market. It's really been reacting to global news flow on a daily basis. The outcome of the state election exit polls was something that the market was anticipating, was along expected lines. So you didn't see the market react a whole host to it. The European markets sure started off on a positive note, and our sense is that the markets took some relief from how the European markets kick-started in trade, and that's why you see the market rebound take place. Having said that, who knows what transpires with global markets overnight? That we'll only find out tomorrow morning.